Yeah, good evening, boss man. As you see this morning, we're about to start. We already started this morning to move on with it. I think you are seeing today. You are seeing today. I think you are seeing it. Okay, we continue to go all the way to go. Yeah, we'll give you the video you see. Okay, man, do the recording quick.
Yeah. You already know. We already wagging for now. Yeah, we're wagging. I think you can see all putting some water on the floor and thing, doing some little work. Yeah, for the day. Yeah. We're going far with the job now. Yeah. You can see. I leave the weather. It show little field wagging. Yeah. You can see Geraldine and choking. Yeah. G Blamo scooting in the bird. Yeah. We're going far. Yeah. This is fairly than I bring in the mortar. Only about half brace. Do everything together. We just a crew. Yeah. Yeah, I say we can see the way going smooth. Everybody busy, no sitting. I see we are blue. Yeah. Yeah. We're wagging hard. What do you need? Yeah. Wagging. We're thinking how to reach, but we're praying to God for the window not fall, so the wagon go farther. If God can help us here, we can go far. All the feeling the cement are in there. Yeah. I was probably recording you. Yeah. Anything you do down there, I seen it clear. Yeah. We're trying now to run the line. Yeah. Yeah, wagging hard. I tell you what it work. I want to let us see. Young man that they wagging hard. Make money for themselves. Yeah, I want to let us see. I like to see young men are working hard, sitting, no making money, sitting by yourself. What you thinking of? You gotta make money for you to enjoy your life. When you get the money,
There's the tingo.
we need tingo. Yeah, the tingo. All right. Wow. A lovely job. These guys are working here. They are very, very strong. No beat them on block. Lay them on block. Wow. I love to see young guys like this. I can really enjoy them. We're in the wagon, yeah. I love to see young Alex there. Man taking black, scraping up the poly there. That's great, that's good. Okay, thanks. Hi.